NASA is known for pushing the boundaries of space exploration. From landing on the moon to exploring the far reaches of our solar system, NASA has always been at the forefront of innovation and discovery. Now, they are doing something amazing with artificial intelligence. By integrating AI into their launch facilities, NASA is revolutionizing the way we think about space missions. Imagine a launch pad where computers learn and make decisions to help rockets launch safely and efficiently. These AI systems can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, predicting potential issues and optimizing every aspect of the launch process. This is what NASA is making. Engineers and scientists are working tirelessly to develop these advanced systems, ensuring that every launch is more reliable and efficient than ever before. These new facilities are not just a dream, they are becoming a reality. The construction of these state-of-the-art launch sites is well underway, paving the way for a new era in space exploration. NASA is using the power of AI to change the way we launch missions into space. With AI at the helm, launches are becoming safer, more efficient, and more successful. This is a big deal for the future of space travel. As we look to the stars, AI-powered launch facilities will be the key to unlocking new frontiers and making space travel more accessible than ever before. But how does it all work? What goes on behind the scenes to ensure a successful launch? Well, AI acts like a super smart assistant at these launch facilities. It's not just about crunching numbers. It's about making sense of complex data in real time. It takes in huge amounts of data from sensors and systems all over the launch pad. These sensors monitor everything from the rocket's fuel levels to the structural integrity of the launch pad. This data includes things like weather conditions, the rocket systems, and the status of the launch pad itself. Weather is a critical factor. Even slight changes can affect the launch. The AI then uses this data to make real-time decisions and adjustments. It can tweak the launch parameters to adapt to changing conditions, ensuring everything goes smoothly. It can optimize launch schedules, predict potential problems, and even help the launch team make critical decisions during countdown. This level of precision and adaptability is what makes modern space missions so successful. The benefits of this technology are huge. AI helps make launches safer by constantly monitoring for any issues.